2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Designed with its driver and passengers in mind, with features like these: automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.